Took this picture of me hanging out, except we definitely went hanging out, and this is all thanks to Google's latest AI image generator and editor known as Nano Banana. With this tool, anyone can create hyper-realistic photo designs and visuals in a matter of seconds. Now, instead of creating designs for fun, you can launch your own online store with Printful, start selling custom t-shirt designs, hoodies, mugs, posters, and many more worldwide from the comfort of your home. Now, the good thing about Printful is that you don't need to worry about having an inventory or how your products are going to be shipped to the customer. All that is needed are your ideas that you are going to put into Nano Banana, create these stunning or amazing visuals or designs. So the first thing you want to do is to create your Printful account, and all you have to do is come to their website. Links will be down in the description, and right here you will see where it says get started, and make sure it's showing here where it's saying start. The easiest way of creating your account is to simply log in with an account that you already have. Now here you can just simply log in with Google, you can log in with Apple or your Facebook account, or if you prefer you can sign up with your email so that you are able to create a password for the account. On the dashboard you will see 4 easy steps that need to be completed in order for your Printful store to be online. So the first step is to design your product. Now, according to Printful, they estimate that designing a product should take you about 25 minutes. Now, I'm assuming that they are thinking that you are designing your product with software tools like Photoshop, or maybe paying a graphics designer to do it. So to create our designs, like I've already mentioned, we are going to be using Google's AI model. So all you have to do to access Nano Banana is head over to gemini.google.com. Links will be down in the description. Now here you see an option which says try image editing. Now you can notice that I'm on the free plan, that's why you're able to see this upgrade option. So on the free plan you are able to do up to 100 edits in a day, and on the paid plan you are able to do 1,000 edits in a day. So all you have to do is click right here where it says try image editing. Now you see this option, image with a banana, appear. So this simply means we are now generating images. Now in the description there is also another link for a Google Docs document. Now this Google Docs document, I've already done the hard work for you. You will find image prompts or prompts for different designs already created for you. All you have to do is change it to whatever you want. You just pick whichever you like. So for example, if I want to create a funny sarcasm quote, like let's say it wasn't me, this one right here, playful dog sketch looking beauty text, it wasn't me in messy handwriting transparent. So just copy this like this. I copy it and head over to Nano Banana, and I'm just going to paste it right here and simply click submit, and you can see Nano Banana within a matter of seconds has generated an amazing design for us that we can simply go right ahead and upload to Printful for our designs or our t-shirts or mugs or posters or whatever we are creating, and it is ready to go. Maybe let me do one more thing. Now the other thing you should take note of, look at this. If let's say you are not happy with this, or you just want to change what is already in this image, you can simply just tell Nano Banana to simply change this text in this image. Let me just maybe create another image just for demonstration purposes. So here is another design from one of the prompts in the Google Docs that I've already given you. All you have to do is click this arrow to download the images. Now once you have the images ready, you just need to go back to Printful. Now here we just want to create our products, and the way you create your products, you click right here where it says my products, and from here you just click right here where it says start designing. So from here you want to pick the category that you are creating for. So let's say for example I want to go with accessories. I'm just going to click on it. So from here you just need to choose which template you want to add that design to. So for example, if I want, I can go with, let's say, the clear case for iPhone. So if I click on it right here, it will bring us to the design page. Now all you have to do is click right here where it says upload or drop your design here. Then after clicking upload once again, I'm just going to upload the design that I got from Gemini. So once your designs have been uploaded, all you have to do is select which one you want to use. So for example, if I wanted to go with It Wasn't Me, or maybe this snail one, just click on apply right here. Let's use the snail one right here. Now you can see the image has been added to the design, however it is not well fitted. So all you have to do is click on it right here, and you can see these arrows. Just need to drop it down a bit like that. Okay, the other thing you want to do is to remove background. Now for some reason it's showing these lines, we don't want that, so click just right here where it says remove background. Now you can see it looks very nice. So all you have to do is click right here where it says save template, and our design is ready. Now right now our product is not published, and to publish it we'll need to connect a store. Now even if let's say we were to click on publish, it will still ask us to connect a store. So all you have to do is click right here where it says connect a store. Now with Printful you get a variety of platforms that you can use as your store place. So all you have to do is click right here where it says choose platform, and from here you will see all the available options that you can use to connect your store. You have Shopify, you have Etsy, Square, Wix, TikTok Shop, Adobe, Weebly. So some of the platforms that are here, some are paid platforms, some are free platforms. For those of you that need the free option, you can go with TikTok. Personally, I have Shopify, so I'm going to use Shopify. If you need me maybe to do a video on a specific platform, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to maybe create another video. Click right here where it says connect. So here they're asking me to connect my Shopify store, and they'll give me instructions like create a Shopify account if you don't already have. Then the second step is just to install the Printful app on Shopify. So all I have to do is click right here where it says get app. Now I'm already logged into Shopify, so by default it will just bring me to my Shopify store, and simply click install. So inside my Shopify store, all I have to do is click on install Printful. So you can now see that our store has been connected. So now if we come back to Printful right here and we click on products, so you can see right here that it is saying now you are connected, let's make some sales. So all you have to do is click right here where it says publish product. So now to publish the product to the store, depending with whichever platform you've decided, even if it's on TikTok or whatever platform you've decided, you just select that same product. So if let's say you've created multiple products, you have to select all of them and simply hit publish, or you can hit publish right here if you have multiple products. So since I just have a single product, I'm just going to use this publish right here. So the next thing is just to choose the mockup that you want to be visible on your sales page. Now just think of it like the display image that will be showing up to your customers. So you can see like one of them, like this one is showing up on the table. You can select whichever you want. Okay, so I'm just going to go with this one and simply click continue right here. Now here is where you set up the pricing, or you can even adjust it to your liking. Now if let's say you want even the shipping cost to be billed to your customer, you just need to click right here where it says include shipping cost in calculation. Now the downside of this is that the price, for example here, look at the estimated earnings, you earn somewhere between $3.7 to $6. However, if you include shipping costs, you charge your customers, you will earn very little. Okay, now that's the downside to this. So let's just leave it at this amount and simply click continue right here. Now the next thing is to like add descriptions and the likes. Now most of the things have already been done by Printful. All you have to do is just simply click continue. Now here you can add tags if you want, let's say, to be discovered on the Printful page so that your products can show up on the Printful page. However, I'm just going to leave it as it is. Then here you can choose product collection if you already have. So I'm just going to leave it as it is and simply, okay, let me select your home page and simply publish. So you can see now our product has been published and they're congratulating us for publishing it, and you can see right here I can even view it on my Shopify store. If let's say you are using TikTok, you can view it on your TikTok store. If you are using whichever platform you are using, you'll be able to view it on that platform. So the rest is just about marketing. You share your product elsewhere. If you want, you can run ads on Facebook or whichever platform. On TikTok, just simply create content about your product and you will start getting sales. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.